我还要加什么？他说哦，还要下一代还会再出给他们这个部分，然后还有什么这个 design 啊，这个。
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Chris Brown, and I'd like to welcome you to our last digitalization show of the day. So great that you made it out here. Now, I'm sure you've all realized upon entering the booth here at Siemens that there are digital images for industrial plants and products. Digital images everywhere. And this is something we call a digital twin. Now you might be asking yourselves, okay, a digital twin and industry processing, manufacturing, how does that go together? Well, just stick with us. We're going to explain it to you in just a bit. And for this, I've invited a very special person I'd like to introduce to you now. So please give him a big round of applause. Did anybody see where she went? Oh, look at that, ladies and gentlemen. There she is, right up there. Our digital twin. Welcome to the Siemens stand.
Hello, Chris. Hello, everybody. I am here to show you how the world is intelligently connected. If you're interested as well, Chris, you can come over here.
Thank you for the invitation. I'm already on my way. And I think you get the idea of what we're trying to do here. We're connecting the virtual with the real world. And our digital twin is standing on top of our interactive globe, as we call it. And what you see on this globe is a dense network of lines, okay? And these lines, again, symbolize the data network that is spread across the entire globe. This is, again, something we call the Internet of Things, you could say. Is that correct?
Right. The power plant here, the factory, the buildings, all these robots, they communicate and generate vast amounts of data.
But what exactly do we do with all this data? How do we benefit from it?
You have to understand it. That's the key. And then it can be used in a very meaningful way.
And now you're probably going to say that Siemens is capable of doing just that. Is that correct?
Exact.
I got it. Okay, so if you take a look around here at the booth, you probably realize there's so much to discover. We're talking about digitalization of manufacturing and additive manufacturing, machine building, process industries, and we got this beautiful Maserati over there. Not only looks good, but it has a certain purpose also. So, where did she go?
Hey, Chris, I'm here.
Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. This is what it's about, huh? Turning my head back and forth. I can hardly follow. Is this the future?
No, Chris. The digital future harvests incredible opportunities. More productivity, efficiency, and flexibility. And Siemens is already making all of this possible today.
Sounds fascinating. But tell us, how exactly does it work? Now we have this little liquid circulation model we built up here. Can you explain it to us?
Yes, of course. Each system has a digital twin, meaning someone like me.
So that means what we see up here now is actually the digital twin of our process facility. A perfect match, as we can see.
那个人还停在上面没有下。
The plan can be virtually entered in
它的 digital twin 啊，
这另外一个像，它装扮像。
So this slide you see here now is actually showing the constant flow between the plant on the one side and the digital twin on the other.
That's the bidirectional data exchange. The data from the design, the engineering, and the plant itself is constantly synchronized and thus optimized.
So in other words, the plant automatically becomes more productive and our twin on the other side smarter. So, since you're such a brain box, you can probably tell us what's next. What's so special about this machine right here?
Ever heard of flexible production?
Well, I suppose that's what digitalization is all about, right? That means I can order a unique product, something just for myself. Is this a wish that can be granted now?
Okay, only for you. You will get your personal Chris Brown perfume. I'll enter the info into the order system.
All right.
All I need to do is to configure the product, which means to select the fragrance, choose the bottle size, and add a personal touch by typing in your name, for example.
Well, Chris Brown worked fine so far.
Chris Brown. Okay. Wait, I'll get your special fragrance right out of the machine.
Okay, so that means My special order is being processed right now, right in the middle of a regular process as we see here, okay? And this can happen just in time, as you see. And I think this is a very nice way to show how this actually works. And I'm really, really anxious to see what my perfume is going to look like when it's finished. But what's the next step? What are we doing now? Where is she? Where did she go?
Chris, a little bit more individuality. Of course, additive manufacturing is the next step.
So we gotta say our digital twin is very flexible, we gotta admit.
This year is the latest trend in production. Additive manufacturing makes the impossible possible. All I'm saying is products on demand with incredible design possibilities.
So you're talking about 3D printing, that's nothing new.
Yes, it is. As of now, additive manufacturing is becoming applicable for industrial use, thanks to consistent solutions by Siemens. Hey, look here! My brand new necklace with its fragile high-tech solitaire is just being produced here. Special design, only for digital twins.
Yeah, right. It sure must have in your virtual world, probably, especially for an digital twin like you are.
Hey Chris, how do I look with it? Just like it's made only for me, isn't it?
Looks pretty good. It's more like a high-tech tool for you. But what about the Maserati for me?
Well, which model do you want?
So you're saying I can choose any model I want, yeah? I'd have to go with something fast, something strong. I made it obviously looks good, so I'll go with this model right here.
Yeah, 330 horsepower, great sound, elegant design. Wow.
Look at that, you're a car expert also.
That as well. But what really fascinates me is the digital world. The whole Siemens know-how that made the Maserati Ghibli production possible.
So you actually mean the smoothly integrated automation, hard and software throughout the entire process. And this is something our experts can tell you everything about in detail. Really some fascinating stuff to explore. So one thing you do have to do now, you have to give us the sound of the Maserati one time. Is that possible?
Of course, not a problem at all.
Sounds good, huh? See some smiles on the faces? All right, where did our twin? Oh, there she is.
Hey Chris, I just let the chauffeur drive the Maserati outside for you.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Oh, we almost forgot.
Look at that, my personal perfume. All right, thank you very much.
Yeah, you're welcome. But now I have to go. The digitalization can't wait.
I'm sure, and I'd like to thank you for being out here. Thank you for your time and the information. And maybe we can give our twin a big round of applause. Thank you very much for